Hello, beautiful people. It's the month of love. 14th February is coming right up, and here's the second look for the Valentine's series. And I hope you all love this classic Valentine's Day look with a bright red lipstick. Let's quickly get started with the video. And I also wanted to inform you guys that I do conduct makeup workshops in Gurgaon, so you can connect with me more if you're interested in that. And let's get this video started. So I'm just going to start with some Kiko Milano concealer to just cover up my under eye darkness. So this concealer also acts kind of like a color corrector since it is a little bit deeper than my skin tone. Now for my foundation, I'm going to mix the Wet n Wild foundation with this L'Oreal primer. This is like light infusing primer. So I'm just going to mix both of those and I'm just going to stipple and then blend the foundation onto my face. So I'm just going to make sure the foundation is nicely blended up into my neck as well, and then move on to the concealer. So the concealer I'm using is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I took a break from this, but now I'm back to loving this. I'm using the same foundation brush to stipple the concealer like that I applied as a highlighter on the high points of my face. So next I'm just going to make sure everything is nice and blended, and then I'm just going to do some contouring. Again, I'm using my NYX Total Control foundation because the coverage, like I like the finish of this foundation, and the coverage is also under like your control. Now once the foundation is blended, like my contour is blended to, like I'm just using the foundation brush over the edges to smooth out the contour lines because I don't want this to be like an overpowering contoured look. And I'm just going to set like use a little bit of powder on just the under eye area. And now I'm just going to use this tint. This one is, I don't remember the brand. I'm going to list down all the products below, and very lightly I'm just going to use again the foundation brush and I'm stippling the blush. And then for the highlighter, I'm using a cream highlighter from NYX from their Bright Illuminating Ideas stick. So I'm just going to again apply that, and now just move on to eyebrows quickly. I'm using the Anastasia pomade, and very lightly I'm again just going to run over the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer over the contoured areas very softly. I don't want it to be like a very harsh look, so the brush is also like very small. I'm using a matte look for this eye makeup. I'm just going to take like a big blending brush and I'm just going to stipple the crease color. It's like a nice light peach color. I'm just going to apply that almost all over like the crease and the transition shade, and then a medium brown shade I'm just going to take with the same brush. I'm just going to pat it on the lid area and then blend it into the crease. So for now I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm just going to take the same brush and run it on the lower lash line as well. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty highlighter Hustler Baby, and I'm going to apply that on the inner corner of my eyes and take it slightly on the lower lash line as well. And also I'm just going to highlight my under eye brow bone with that. Under eye, no, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with that. Now I'm just taking the like a brown color, deep brown, and I'm just going to tightline my lower lash line. And now comes the eyeliner. I'm taking this one from, I think this one is from Sugar, and I'm just going to create nice thin wing eyeliner. I'm going to take my time with this step, and I'm just going to wing it out. I'm going to link a video that I did on eyeliner. I'm going to slightly extend the eyeliner on the inner corner. Now again I'm taking a medium brown shade on a small blending brush, and I'm going to just define the crease just a little bit. And again I'm going to take that fluffy brush one more time and just nicely make sure that everything is nice and blended. And then I'm just taking the Vichy curler. This is the only curler I like to use anymore. And now I'm using the Kiko Milano mascara. So now this is the look that you will get if you just use like the mascara, versus like you can add false eyelashes if you wish. The choice is totally yours, and here I am just applying a little bit of false eyelashes, and also I applied the mascara on the lower lash line. Moving on, I'm for the red lipstick, just slightly going to overline the lips in the like center part of the lips, and quickly I'm just going to apply, like fill in my lips with a lip liner and apply my favorite red lipstick. This is Ariba from Colourpop, and this is it. This is the final look, you guys. It's very appropriate for daytime as well, like if you are like going out on Valentine's Day, and like it's not very heavy with the eye makeup and just the bold red lip. As you can see, the eye makeup is also fairly simple, matte and muted. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't done that already. See you.